me out pictures. What did Grandma send you? Who is that? Says you and I can be Valentine's. To Michaela from Grandma and Papa. Be my Valentine. That's yours from Grandma and Papa. Let's see what else they said.
What is it?
Well, just wait. It's a magazine. Slow down. This one's for Kayla, I bet. Ooh, and this one's for Ella. Turn around and show Grandma your face. This one's too fun. Oh, cool, Dad.
What is it?
It's a shirt that says 2008 Lancers softball. Ha! Ha! He read my mind. And a sweatshirt. Cool. Oh, and Ella, look at the toy you left behind. Grandma made us a cookie back. What do you say to Grandma?
Yay!
And Papa.
Yay!
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Kayla, blow kisses. Blow kisses to Daddy. Mwah.